Hey, this is part 2 of the refactoring complex condition, extracting the business rule into clean code. In this stage, we are refactoring user role permissions. Here we're gonna make a switch expression, so we're gonna say return user.role switch. Now we're gonna check the conditions. So here in the first line, it will be if the user is admin, then do whatever you want. But if the user is compliance or operator, we need to figure out what can he do. Let's go with the compliance. And the condition was quite easy. Let's copy this line here. Let's paste it. And let's go with the operator. You need to be verified by MFA, and if the currency is one of the type of the USD or like a euro, he can process the payment. Okay, we have it. But what we are missing here, like a default statement. So if the user is not on one of those roles, he don't have one of those roles, then we cannot allow him to make a payment. So this is the default statement. Okay, we have roles, permissions. We have a method which is like a validating if user has one of the permission and he meet with the requirements. Let's add to the code. Here I'm gonna do the same. If the user does not have permission, right? So he should not be able to make a payment, process the payment. And the last one. This one is really hard to understand because here we are mixing two things. One is a business rule, business requirement, and the second one is, I would say, the technical aspect. So how I would like to name it, this condition, the new condition, it will be quite similar to this one, which has role permission, but in the different, more like a business language. So I'm gonna say public static bool can process high risk payment. Okay, I believe we have everything. Okay, let's copy the rule. Okay, the last thing we need to do is need to just add this can process the high risk payment, and it will be the last statement of the validation of the checkover condition, and of course it will be negation. So if cannot process the high risk condition, this code now looks much more better. It's more like a clean code, understandable, and it's much more easy to test, to validate, to maintain, and refactor in the future.